Hello everyone, welcome back to Power BI Zero to Hero playlist. My name is Sandeep Raturi and in this video I will show you how to create attractive breadcrumbs for your Power BI report. First, I will explain what breadcrumbs are. Breadcrumbs help display navigation information or the selected value from the slicers, making it easier to understand the context of your data. Now I will show you a demo of breadcrumbs and after that we will implement them from scratch. Here you can see I have 4 slicers: market, region, category and subcategory, and this is the breadcrumbs result. It is showing all for all slicers value because nothing is selected in the slicers. Now I am selecting Canada from the region slicer and you can see the breadcrumb result. For category and subcategory it is showing all because I did not select any values for them. For region it is showing Canada, which is correct, and for market it is showing USCA because if you open the market slicer the only available value is USCA. That's why it is displayed in the breadcrumbs, which is helpful for the user's point of view. Now I am selecting multiple values from the region slicer. Here you can see it shows multiple for the region because multiple values are selected. For the market it shows all because there are multiple values available but none are selected. Now I am selecting a value from the subcategory slicer accessories. You can see the breadcrumb is showing the category as technology because under the accessories subcategory there is only one category, which is technology. So here you can see it is showing category technology and subcategory is accessories. This is the purpose of breadcrumbs. They provide navigation information for your filtered data, helping you easily track and understand the applied filters. Now let's move on the practical part. To create a breadcrumb, we will write a DAX code, right click on the dataset name and select new measure. After that you need to write this DAX code. I will provide the DAX code in the video description and you can modify it as per your slicer columns. This is the measure name breadcrumbs and here you can see the code for all slicers. This code is the same for all slicers, only the column names have changed. Now I will explain each part of the code in detail. Breadcrumbs is the measure name as I told you earlier. First, we will add a variable to store the selected value from the market slicer. Whatever value is selected in the market slicer, this variable will hold that value. After that, we are using if condition, and inside if condition, we are checking if there are any values in the orders market column or not. So for that we used count DAX, and inside count DAX we just pass the orders market column and this is the condition not equal to 0. And if condition is not satisfied, so it will directly go to the else part and will return this text market is none. And if condition is satisfied, so it will go to the another condition, and again here we are using if DAX function, and inside if DAX function we just passed is filter orders market. So this DAX code will check if the orders market column is being filtered or not. If market slicer is filtered, so it will check this condition, and in this condition we are checking if only one value is selected in the orders market column or not. So for that we used has one value DAX. This DAX will check one value is selected in the market column or not. So if one value is selected, so it will display the text market with that selected value. So for that we used concatenate DAX, because here we are concatenating market tags with the selected value. Here we are using max DAX function to return the single value. And if multiple values are selected, then it will return the tags market multiple. And now we are checking one more condition here. If the column is not filtered, so we are checking again for one value. So let me show you the practical for this code. If you notice, for the reason we select Canada, and for market slicer we did not select anything. But still, if you notice in breadcrumbs result, for reason it is showing Canada, and for market it is showing USCA. Why it is showing USCA? If you open the market slicer, only one value is available there, but market slicer is not selected. So that's the reason we return this code. If the column is not filtered and have one value, so this condition will execute. So here we are using has one value. If one value exists in an unfiltered state, so it will display that value with market text. And if no filter is applied and multiple values exist, so it will display the market all. And if there are no values in the column, so it will display the none. So if you notice here, same code we are using for region slicer. Everything is same, only the column name and text have changed. And I am using the same code for the others as well. In the written part of the code, I am concatenating the results of all slicer. So for that, I used variable names for all slicer and concatenated them with the AND symbol, and between them I used pipe symbol to provide a gap. Now that we are done with the breadcrumbs code, click on the commit button to save the changes. I hope you have an idea of how to create breadcrumbs for a Power BI report and how useful it can be for users. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel for new content. Thank you.